The big idea is that ThinkSheet's professional intelligence transforms data ecosystems into visual thought process ecosystems, a revolutionary upgrade in terms of decision-making and collaboration value and time and cost savings. AI competition and funding, government and private sector, is in a frenzy, like the growth of the internet in the 90s. The introduction of OpenAI last November has been a mega catalyst for AI becoming top of mind, not only for AI engineers, but also business leaders and individuals. Microsoft is increasing its initial $3 billion investment in OpenAI by $10 billion, and Silicon Valley is in an investment frenzy over generative artificial intelligence, even amid the tech gloom, with the Chinese trouncing the US in AI research output and quality. This Google-generated AI graphic describes a collection of components at right as an open, unified, and intelligent data ecosystem, with data at its core. This chart shows the data ecosystem tools without ThinkSheet. First, quant models, quantitative intelligence for the numbers. Next, artificial intelligence, machine learning. But they don't give Jamie Dimon the models he wants because they don't include the qualitative. ThinkSheet tools enable him to model his judgments, his qualitative analysis, synthesize the qualitative and quantitative, professional intelligence, and business and AI teams to augment the machine learning output, augmented intelligence, and create the one-pagers. Quantifying the qualitative is the breakthrough. In this simulated use case, Jamie Dimon and the C-suite used ThinkSheet to allocate resources to China relative to the other 6 countries at left under 2 scenarios, soft and hard landing, updating the global macro model developed with a strategist for a large investment bank in 2010. For the soft landing, the team sees that Stephen Roach, head of Morgan Stanley Asia, was the source of the judgment for the catalyst of 200 to 600 million people moving into the middle class. And our team assigned a score of 20%, and ThinkSheet added a triple plus symbol in green color to highlight the catalyst was very positive. For the hard landing, Chanos' catalyst was empty cities with a minus 25% score, and ThinkSheet added triple minus symbol in red color to highlight it was very negative. Jamie Dimon and his team know who Roach and Chanos are and make a determination whether to reuse any elements of their judgments and scores in the update. They can input any catalyst in any language and assign any score from 1 to -1. Same with the thought process as a whole. The team can search the one-pager library for ideas with browsing speed similar to that of Getty Images, and the rest of ThinkSheet's institutional knowledge, as well as the firm's. The catalysts and scores then merge into the professional intelligence model, which then flows into the AI. This is the ThinkSheet home run, the visual thought process ecosystem, with the 6 types of intelligence synced together in the following sequence. First, Jamie Dimon and the team's quantitative intelligence. Second, qualitative. Third, professional. Fourth, artificial. Fifth, machine learning. And sixth, augmented. With the transition from the professional intelligence to the artificial intelligence made possible by the business user scores. The core takeaway from this video and the smartphone analogy video is for JP Morgan leadership to appreciate that JP Morgan users' ability to quantify the qualitative makes the visual thought process ecosystem possible.